Hello everyone, today my channel the Kia campervan market with its upcoming 2025 model, blending modern design with practical features tailored for adventure enthusiasts. The 2025 Kia campervan boasts a sleek, aerodynamic exterior complemented by LED headlights and stylish alloy wheels, ensuring both aesthetics and functionality. Inside, travelers will find a spacious and versatile layout crafted from high-quality materials. The fully equipped kitchenette includes a compact refrigerator, stove, and sink, catering to culinary needs on the road. The rear area seamlessly transforms into a cozy sleeping space, while a pop-up roof provides additional headroom and extra sleeping quarters, enhancing comfort during extended trips. Advanced technology is at the forefront of this model, featuring a touchscreen infotainment system complete with navigation and smartphone integration, ensuring connectivity and entertainment throughout the journey. Multiple USB ports are strategically placed for convenience, keeping devices charged and accessible. Under the hood, the campervan is powered by an efficient yet robust engine, delivering a smooth driving experience across various terrains, from highways to off-road trails. Smart storage solutions maximize space utility, and the inclusion of solar panels supports off-grid energy needs, allowing travelers to venture further without compromising on essential amenities. Safety remains a priority, with the vehicle equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and forward collision avoidance systems, providing peace of mind during travels. The 2025 Kia campervan is designed to meet the demands of modern explorers, offering a harmonious blend of comfort, technology, and durability. As the release date approaches, more detailed information is anticipated, promising to provide a clearer picture of what this innovative motorhome will offer to adventure enthusiasts. Kia's entry into the campervan market signifies a promising addition, combining the brand's automotive expertise with the comforts desired by today's travelers. For a visual overview and more insights into the 2025 Kia campervan, you might find this video informative. Thanks very much.